Thanks for tuning in for another video, and today I'm going to be finding the missing piece for my Scion. When I first purchased the vehicle, I noticed that there's a big gap right here, and I wasn't really sure what it was. So I figured it was either an ashtray or some sort of cup holder, and sure enough, I went to the scrapyard. I found this piece, and it turns out to be a cup holder. So it has two different part numbers since it's two different pieces. There's the first one. And let's go ahead and install this. So you want to make sure before you purchase it that it works. As you can see, this slides out and you got your two things as well as this bottom piece, very important. Let's get this installed. And in my case, it looks like the surrounding trim needs to pop off since we already have it here. Alright, so we've got that old one popped out. As you can see, just push in on the tabs. Let's go ahead and slide the new one in. Easiest just to close it up, slide that down. There we go. Now we got two extra cup holders. First I thought it might be an ashtray, but I was like, why would there be an ashtray in the rear seat? Because kids don't smoke. These always get broken because you'll have kids and they'll pull this out and they'll stick their feet on it and break it. But this one's pretty durable, so I'm not sure how the other one disappeared, but at least we got a new one. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.